After age 50, regular hearing tests become just as important as eye checks or health screenings. Age-related hearing changes often being quietly and progress gradually. The inner ear becomes more sensitive to noise damage over time, making it harder to detect soft sounds. These changes are natural but easy to miss without testing. Annual hearing tests help catch small changes early, preventing them from affecting your clarity or confidence. Early intervention keeps you hearing stable for longer. Stay connected, confident, and aware. Schedule your annual hearing at Zenaud.com.